Hello, in this video I will show you how to manually update your Samsung Galaxy A52 without losing your data. If you're having problems with updating your system automatically via the update tool in the system, typically you'd go to settings, of course, and stuff like that. Okay, I actually haven't finished my setup, but yeah, you would go to settings and you would install the update. But if you're having any problems with it, or for any other reason, if you want to update it using a computer, you can of course do it without losing your data. And in order to do it, you'll need to first check a few things on your phone. So let's go to settings and then scroll all the way down to about phone. Now make sure that you know your model name, the exact one. So in my case it's SMA525F, but in your case it may be a little bit different. Then go to software information, and also you'll need to find your kernel version. And now it's going to be a little complicated, so be careful with it. And it's A525F, it's my model, of course. Then there's XX. Then there's a letter like S or U or K or B. It doesn't matter what letter is after the double X. We need to pay attention to the second letter after double X. In my case it's C, as you can see. And it is important. It is the revision number. And now there's lots of different revisions. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then it's A, B, C, D, F, G, and so on, right? So after 9 it's A and goes with in the alphabetical order. So in my case it's C, which means it's the 12th revision, and we'll need to get the revision C or newer. There's no option to get the older revision. If you have C, you can only download C or something newer like D, E, F, or even newer. But you can't get B, you can't get 8, you can't get 2, only the C. And now, or newer. Now let's go to the computer because we'll need to download a few things. So let's go to a browser like Chrome, for example, whatever. And now type in your model number, firmware, like that. And now I will go to this website. You can go to any website. I will just select this one because I know that it works. The downloads here are pretty quick, so I won't need to wait too long. And now we can see the phone. Now we need to select the CSC code, and I'm not sure whether you can find the CSC here, although it would be really good to find it. Okay, you can find it. You can see service provider software version, and now at the bottom it's EUX. So I will get the same one. I will get EUX, and now let's find revisions. You can see there are different ones. If, for example, for one revisions there are 2 different versions, then you can technically downgrade. So for example, if you have the version AA from 2025-0201, you can get version A from 2024-1101, but you can't get version 9. I only have C, and C is the newest one available, so I will just basically re-download the same one that I already have. But if you, for example, have B, you will most likely get C, and you will update it that way. So let's get this one, and now find download. Click on it. It's either this download or the one lower. They are pretty quick, and let's wait a moment until it finds it all. Okay, let's click on download here, and now it's gonna start downloading. I will actually stop it because I already have it downloaded. but wait a moment until it downloads. It may take a while. During that process, you should also get to our website, which is HardReset.Info, and then go to download. Okay, if there's an ad, just close it, go to download and find Samsung drivers. If you can't find them here, just type it in here and you'll find these with this picture. Click on download, then click on download. If there's an ad, of course, close it, click on download. You can see it is being downloaded currently. Now let's go to downloads again, and now we'll find Odin. So type in Odin and download the 3.14.4. It's the latest version. Click on download here, and now we have everything downloaded. So let's go to our file explorer, and now I will delete some files that I don't need anymore. And you can see I have 3 files here, and they are archives. In order to unpack an archive, I would highly recommend just downloading a program at win-rar.com. Just download it for free, and you can, once it's downloaded, you will be able to right click on all the archives, go to WinRAR, extract to, and it's gonna start extracting. I will repeat it for all those files. Yeah, and one of them is processing because it's the biggest file, the one with the firmware from this website. It's the biggest file, so it is going to take a moment, but during that process we can already start installing the drivers for Samsung USB driver. Just go into that, double click on the application, and you'll notice, okay, in my case it says it's already installed, but I will still continue. And I also recommend you to continue even if it says it's already installed in your system. And let's wait a moment. It's gonna open here. Next, select the language, click on next and next. Now it's gonna take a moment. Once it's done, you will have the finish button, and it's important that once it's done you restart your computer, because if you don't, most likely it won't work. So it's way better to just restart your computer so you don't waste your time. I actually don't need to restart my computer, since the drivers that I have installed have been installed like today. So, you know, and I already restarted after that, so I don't need to do it. But if you, even if you had installed the drivers earlier, it's still like earlier, like some time ago, it's still worth reinstalling it and restarting your computer. I'll get back to you when this file is installed. Okay, it is installed. So I can go back. I can go to Odin now. I can open the program like that, as you can see. Now it says something about this, but I just click on OK. It doesn't matter. Now we'll need to put our phone in download mode. And to put our phone in download mode, first plug in a cable. And that cable, it's important that it supports data transfer, because not all cables are built the same. So plug it into your computer and leave it unplugged from your phone for now. First shut your phone down, so it's going to be power and volume down. Press and hold on it, click on power off, and click on power off again. Then you may need to enter the lock screen of the phone. Let's go for that. Okay. Now the phone is off, and once it's off, you should start pressing and holding on volume up and volume down at the same time, and during that, plug the USB-C into your phone, the USB-C that is already plugged into the computer. You should see this screen. Click on volume up, and you will be in the download mode, and Odin will recognize your phone right here. You can see it's ID 0,4. It can be different numbers, but you'll see this blue like square here. Now let's go to BL button, and it's important that you follow what I'm doing here exactly. Go to BL, open the BL file in the folder that you have unpacked. So let's go through that. Let's open it. Let's wait a moment. Now AP is gonna take a little while, so get ready for a little wait. Okay, now it's time for the CP file. So of course select the file that begins with CP. And there is something super important here. When you select CSC, get the home CSC version, not just CSC, because the CSC without home at the beginning will delete your files. So it's important that you get home CSC. Click on open, and now click on start. You can see it is being done currently. If there is a problem, it's most likely either due to your cable that you're using. It may be also due to the drivers that you either haven't installed, or once you've installed them you didn't restart your computer, or you've gotten the wrong revision of the software and it just won't work that way. So let's just wait a moment until it finishes. I'm gonna get back to you. Okay, now it's passed, so the phone is going to restart. We can already unplug it if you want. I'll get back to you when the phone is restarted because it's gonna take a while. Okay, it's restarted. You can see I can swipe up. My screen lock is still there. So basically the phone wasn't reset. The files didn't disappear. Everything is on its place. It's just updated. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.